Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of chocolate's unsung hero, cacao powder. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey as we uncover the secrets and versatility of this remarkable ingredient. From its origin to its health benefits and culinary uses, we have got it all covered. So, let's get started. Origin of cacao. To truly understand cacao powder, we must first trace its roots. Our story begins in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, where the cacao tree thrives. Join me as we explore the rich history and cultural significance of this precious bean. The ancient Mayans and Aztecs considered cacao beans to be a divine gift and used them in religious ceremonies and as currency. Later, explorers introduced cacao to Europe, and it quickly gained popularity as a luxurious beverage. Today, cacao is cultivated in various regions worldwide, with each location imparting its unique flavor profile. From cacao bean to powder. Let's unravel the fascinating journey of cacao beans transforming into the beloved powder we know and love. Join me as we step into a cacao processing facility. After harvesting, the cacao pods are cracked open, revealing the precious beans. They're fermented and then dried to enhance their flavor. Next comes the roasting process, where the beans develop their distinct chocolatey aroma. Once roasted, the beans are ground into a fine paste called chocolate liquor. This liquor is pressed to extract the cocoa butter, leaving behind a solid mass known as cocoa cake. Finally, the cocoa cake is pulverized into a fine powder, which we call cacao powder. Health benefits of cacao. High in antioxidants. Cacao powder is packed with powerful antioxidants that help combat free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, can protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Mood enhancement. Cacao powder contains natural compounds that stimulate the production of endorphins, the feel-good hormones in our brains. It can boost serotonin levels, promoting a sense of happiness and relaxation. Heart health. Research suggests that cacao powder may have a positive impact on heart health. Its high content of flavonoids and antioxidants can help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Energy and exercise performance. Cacao powder contains theobromine, a natural stimulant that provides a gentle energy boost. It can enhance exercise performance, increase focus, and even improve endurance. Nutrient powerhouse. Cacao powder is a rich source of essential minerals such as magnesium, iron, and potassium. It also contains fiber and is low in sugar, making it a healthier alternative to processed cacao powders. Brain health. The flavonoids in cacao powder have been associated with improved cognitive function and memory. They may also help protect against age-related brain decline and promote overall brain health. So, how can you incorporate cacao powder into your daily routine? Here are a few ideas. Morning smoothies. Adding cacao powder to your morning smoothies is simple. Just add a tablespoon or two to your favorite smoothie recipe and blend it along with other ingredients. It can also be combined with milk or plant-based alternatives to create a quick and nutritious chocolate-flavored drink. Sprinkle it on top of yogurt or oatmeal. Cacao powder has a rich, deep chocolate flavor that pairs well with various foods. Sprinkling it on top of yogurt or oatmeal adds a decadent touch and enhances the overall taste. Use it as a healthier alternative in baking recipe. Cacao powder is commonly used in chocolate cake recipes. It provides a deep, intense chocolate flavor. You can substitute cocoa powder with cacao powder in most recipes, but be aware that cacao powder is less sweet than cocoa powder, so you may need to adjust the sweetness accordingly. Simply enjoy a warm cup of hot cacao. To enjoy a warm cup of hot cacao, you can mix cacao powder with hot milk or water and sweeten it according to your preference. You can also add spices like cinnamon or a touch of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. That wraps up our video on the amazing health benefits of cacao powder. Remember, moderation is key when consuming cacao powder, as it still contains calories. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.